How to get working HelloFresh promo code. As you can see, I've already applied my working HelloFresh promo code and I get this $100 of discount absolutely for free. So where I found working HelloFresh promo code discount code in 2023, it's easy. Open browser, go to this website, key code. This website allowed you to generate working HelloFresh promo code. So type this, and now all you need to do, we must enter our email address. Also in this email address, our working HelloFresh promo code will be sent. The next step is select our platform. Remember, this method works only for mobile device, so select your Android or iOS device platform. The next step is press button proceed, and now as you can see, everything is work. Way to finish this process. After complete of this process, our working HelloFresh promo code discount code will be displayed on our screen, also sent to our email address. And now boom, as you can see, this is last step, everything is generated. So enjoy and thank you for watching.